two shapes are congruent if one of the shapes fits exactly onto the other. Let's have a look at this example here. I've got these two stars. I can move the blue star exactly onto the orange star. What is going on with this? As we can see. So we can say the two shapes are congruent. If we look at these two half moons, well, to check that, I could just move the smaller one onto the bigger one, and they don't fit exactly, so they're not congruent. If we look at these two shapes here, they are congruent because I could move the square on the left onto the square on the right. It's just that one on the right is rotated. But if I look at these two squares, they're not congruent because the one on the right is bigger than the one on the left. Here are some quick questions for you to try. Please pause the video now and have a go. And when you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers. So the two stars are congruent, yes, because I could move this one exactly onto the one on the right. In B, the triangles are not congruent. They are similar, but they're not congruent because one is bigger than the other. In C, these two shapes are clearly not congruent because the stop sign on the right has this extra part here, so they're not congruent. In D, they are actually congruent. We can see this shape on the right is the one on the left rotated by 90 degrees, so they are congruent. And in E, the two shapes are congruent because the one on the right is just the one on the left upside down.